Did you know that less than 10% of the population can do even one proper pull-up? And if you're watching this, chances are you're either struggling to get your first pull-up or you're stuck at a plateau and can't seem to increase your numbers. Well, guess what? Today, we're changing that. Pull-ups are one of the most challenging yet rewarding exercises out there. They're a true test of upper body strength, and mastering them can transform not just your physique, but also your confidence. But here's the thing. Most people give up on pull-ups because they don't know the right way to progress. In this video, I'm going to break down the easiest and fastest way to go from 0 to 10 plus pull-ups. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been stuck at 3 or 4 pull-ups for months, this step-by-step guide will help you build the strength, technique, and confidence to crush your goals. So, if you're ready to transform your upper body strength and finally master this iconic exercise, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's start with why pull-ups are such a big deal. Pull-ups aren't just about lifting your body weight. They're a full-body exercise that targets your back, shoulders, arms, and even your core. But here's the catch. Most people fail at pull-ups because they rely too much on their arms and forget to engage their back muscles. The secret? It's all about mind-muscle connection. Imagine your lats, those large muscles on your back, doing the heavy lifting while your arms are just there to assist. If you're not feeling your back working during pull-ups, you're doing it wrong. And don't worry if you can't do a single pull-up yet. That's exactly what we're fixing today. But before we get into the steps, let's talk about why pull-ups are so important. They're not just a gym bro exercise. They're a functional movement that improves your posture, builds real-world strength, and even boosts your athletic performance. So, if you've been skipping pull-ups, it's time to change that. If you're starting from 0, the first step is to build your foundational strength. And the best way to do that? Assisted pull-ups. You can use resistance bands, a pull-up assist machine, or even a partner to help you. The key here is to focus on perfect form. Start with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Engage your core and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself slowly. Don't just drop down. Pro tip. If you're using resistance bands, gradually move to thinner bands as you get stronger. This will help you transition to unassisted pull-ups faster. Now, how many assisted pull-ups should you do? Start with 3 sets of 8-10 reps, 2-3 times a week. And don't rush the process. Focus on controlled movements and really feel your muscles working. Remember, this is about building strength, not just going through the motions. Here's a game changer: negative pull-ups. These are the secret weapon for building strength when you can't do a full pull-up yet. Here's how it works. Start at the top of the pull-up position. Use a box or jump to get there, and then lower yourself as slowly as possible. Aim for 3-5 seconds on the way down. This eccentric movement is incredible for building muscle and strength. Do 3 sets of 5-8 negatives, 2-3 times a week, and you'll notice a huge difference in just a few weeks. Why are negatives so effective? When you lower yourself slowly, you're putting your muscles under tension for a longer period of time, which is one of the best ways to stimulate muscle growth. Plus, it helps you practice the movement pattern of a pull-up, so when you're ready to do the real thing, your body already knows what to do. Pull-ups aren't just about your back and arms. Your core and grip strength play a huge role too. If your grip gives out before your muscles, you're leaving reps on the table. Incorporate exercises like hanging leg raises, farmer's carries, and dead hangs into your routine. These will not only improve your grip, but also build the core stability you need for smooth, controlled pull-ups. For example, try this. At the end of your workout, do 3 sets of 30-second dead hangs. Focus on keeping your shoulders engaged and your body still. Over time, you'll notice your grip strength improving, and that will directly translate to better pull-ups. And don't forget about your core. A strong core helps you maintain proper form and prevents you from swinging during pull-ups. Add exercises like planks, hollow holds, and Russian twists to your routine to build a rock-solid midsection. Once you've built enough strength with assisted pull-ups and negatives, it's time to try the real thing. Start by doing as many full pull-ups as you can with proper form. Even if it's just 1 or 2, that's a huge win. Here's a simple progression plan. Week 1, aim for 3 sets of 1-2 pull-ups. Week 2, increase to 3 sets of 3-4 pull-ups. Week 3, push for 3 sets of 5-6 pull-ups. And if you hit a plateau, don't get discouraged. Plateaus are normal, and they're just a sign that your body needs a new challenge. Try adding weight with a dip belt or switching to a harder variation like wide grip or archer pull-ups. Remember, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but if you stick with it, you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. All right, let's recap. Start with assisted pull-ups to build your foundation. Use negative pull-ups to develop strength. And don't forget to strengthen your grip and core. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll be knocking out 10+ pull-ups in no time. Remember, progress takes time, but every rep counts. So drop a comment below and let me know how many pull-ups you can do right now, and where you want to be in a month. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle another fitness challenge. Until then, keep pushing, keep pulling, and keep crushing your goals.